So, sir, I want to tell you about flames. Do you know what is flames? You have seen that when you light a matchstick, it burns with a yellow flame. And you have also seen your gas stove when you burn it, then you have seen the flame. It is in the yellow color and it is in the blue color. I will tell you further why it is in the yellow color and why it is in blue color. But I want to tell you when you light a matchstick, it burns with a yellow flame. Similarly, the candles burn with a yellow flame. The flame produced by the domestic gas LPG in the kitchen stove is blue. Why? Question arises here. What is a flame? So first of all, we should know what is a flame. So we should try to know the definition of the flame. A region of burning gases is called flame. A region of burning gases, a region of burning, a region of burning gases is called flame. It is understandable that LPG is a gas. Generally, we use as a domestic gas. Therefore, the reason in which it burns constitutes a flame. However, the wax is a solid. How can a solid produce a flame? When we light a candle, as you know that wax is solid, then how can a solid produce a flame? It is a question. When we light a candle with a matchstick, the heat of the burning matchstick do not melt a wax but also changes it into the wax vapor. I want to tell you, when we light a candle with a matchstick, the heat of burning matchstick do not only melt wax but also changes its changes it into wax vapor. The wax vapor mixes with the air and then catches fire to produce a flame. Similarly, when the matchstick catches fire, the heat released due to the burning of the chemicals on the match head partially decomposes the wood to form the wood gas. The wood gas then catches fire and produce a flame. Now we have to study a study of a candle flame. If you observe the flame of a lighted candle carefully, you will notice that it is not a simple flame. It is not a simple flame. इसमें simple flame नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है? You can see figure here. See the candle. You can see here. At the base of the flame, quite close to the wick, the color of the flame is blue. The color of the flame is blue. You can see here the blue region just near the wax. Okay, it is blue, and region around wick is dark gray in color. Dark gray in color. The second region. And another region surrounding the dark gray is luminous and yellow in color. Yellow in color. You can see yellow color. And there is another zone surrounding the luminous zone which is hardly visible. Which is hardly visible. It is known as non-luminous zone. So let us study each of these zones in detail. We have to discuss it in detail. First, blue zone. Near the base of the flame. This is the blue zone. This is blue zone. It is the near the base of the flame. The fresh air rapidly mixes with the wax vapor and formed from the molten wax. A part of the wax vapor almost completely burn and give rise to the blue flame. Much the same way the blue flame is seen on the LPG गैस बर्नर. हम लोग इसको LPG गैस बर्नर में भी देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो है कि यह जो है कि एरिया जब बहुत फ्रेश एयर जो है कि इसमें मिक्स होते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे ऑक्सीजन मिलते हैं, तो ये जो है कि ब्लू फ्लेम के साथ जलते हैं. Dark inner zone. This zone consists of the unburned wax vapor given off by the molten wax. It is the coldest part of the flame. It is slightly dark because of the part of the wax vapor decomposes on heating to form carbon particles. The presence of the wax vapor can be shown by the following activity, and you can perform this activity at your home also to show the presence of the wax vapor in the dark inner zone. And third is the luminous zone. Luminous zone. In this zone, the partial combustion of the wax vapor takes place with the liberation of the lot of heat energy. The heat energy so liberated partially decomposes the wax vapor into the carbon particles. The carbon particle is turned, get very hot and emit yellowish light. The luminous zone of the candle flame is hotter than the darker inner zone, but not as hot as the non-luminous zone. The presence of the unburnt carbon particle can be demonstrated by the following activity. You can demonstrate it by the following activity, or you can do at your home to prove that luminous zone of the candle flame contains unburnt particle of the carbon. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू, इसमें आपको कैंडल लेना पड़ेगा, ग्लास लाइट्स और कार्बन पार्टिकल्स. वी विल डू लेटर, लेट इट बी, बट यू हैव टू नो हियर नॉन luminous zone. It is the zone of the complete combustion of the wax vapor and carbon particles. The air from the side of the flame mixes with the unburned wax vapor and carbon particles from the luminous zone and completely burn them to form the carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. It is the hottest part of the flame, which is hardly visible. Okay. And now I want to tell you about fuel. Fuel क्या होता है? Fuel, any substance which is easily available and born in air at a moderate rate, producing a large amount of the heat energy without leaving behind any undesirable residue is called a fuel. फ्यूल एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो एयर में जो है कि एयर के साथ जो है कि जलता है एंड प्रोड्यूस लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ द हीट विदाउट लिविंग एनी बिहाइंड एनी अनडिजायरेबल रेजिड्यू. कोई भी रेजिड्यू जो है कि इसके बाद जो है कि नहीं बचता है. एंड व्हाट इज द कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्यूल? द अमाउंट ऑफ द हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन द कम्प्लीटली बर्निंग 1 kilogram of fuel. 1 kilogram of a fuel in a pure oxygen is called a calorific value of fuel. The calorific value of the fuel is expressed in kilojoule per kilogram. Kilojoule per kilogram. Kilojoule per kilogram. Note down, the calorific value of the fuel is expressed in the kilogram per kilojoule per kilogram. तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि डिफरेंट सॉलिड फ्यूल्स के डिफरेंट जो है कि कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू होते हैं. जैसे काउडंग केक के जो कि कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू जो है कि 6000 से 8000 जो है कि 6000 टू 8000 कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू. तो वुड का जो है कि 17,000 टू 22,000 एंड कोल का 25,000 टू 33,000. बट पेट्रोल लिक्विड फ्यूल पेट्रोल का जो है कि 45,000 और केरोसिन का जो है कि 45,000, डीजल का 45,000. लाइक दिस वी कैन सी ए गैसियस फ्यूल. मीथेन गैस का कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू 50,000, CNG का 50,000 एंड LPG का 50,000. एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस जो होता है 1,50,000 होता है. My question is here, why hydrogen gas not is used as a cooking gas? Means domestic fuel. क्यों इसका यूज़ नहीं हो सकता है? But its calorific value is very high. You have to answer it. The characteristic. What is the characteristic of the good fuel? It should be very cheap and readily available. It should be easy to store, and it should not produce any hazard during transportation. It should have a large calorific value. It should produce a very small amount of residue such as ash, and it should not produce gases which pollute the air. It should have the low ignition temperature. It should burn at a slow rate, and its combustion should be controllable. Thank you.